See woods here. You know how long MP them to fix this road here. I mean river coast here. See it here. See it here. Every fucking year you come in a power and make it stream, man. No long enough to fix this road here. See all the blood clot people and vehicle mash up, you know. Pussy wall. Flash flood come in, come wash with them. And go home so nobody not drown on your line. Or up there so. People have to rescue people to save their life from riverbank, you know. The amount of care I wash going on the road. Remember me tell you. God be the glory.
We are alive.
We are alive. See it here?
Where do I feel it? Feel down.
Calm down. You know, I'm more come up on the water.
I don't you say start get heavy. Right down there in the sinking right on the corner around the so. This say start get heavy. So when I come up on the stand car, they jam up in the car and I say, damn man. And this a dude that come block me. Him come stand up back on me and block me, you know. Not even say, boy, you know, my whole reverse and see if we can beat this. But that time we said that there, everything come down. It was a torrent of water come down like a floodgate open. Every fucking thing wash out. When I wash it flooded, people must have drowned down the line. The whole line of woods mash up. Because this gets everybody half yard. See it there? He and then done with it.